25-foot Bennington tri-tune. It's slip 37 at Julington Creek Marina. This is an after video. Let's go have a look. I only used my glove on the paint on the bottom of the boat due to the fact that if you push real hard with just a glove, it'll take some of the paint off. So if you see a little dust, because I was trying to protect your paint. Alright, let's go have a look at it. I just pointed out, notice that there's some skint wires coming back. I don't think any bare wires showing, but just wanted to point it out to you regardless.